Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Start by checking hardware compatibility and power needs for multiple graphics cards. Confirm that your motherboard has 2 or more X16 PCIe slots populated correctly for full bandwidth. Make sure your CPU and chipset provide sufficient PCIe lanes to avoid bottlenecks. Check the case clearance and cooling for multiple cards, including 2, 7 slot widths and 3, 5 fans clearance when needed. Confirm your power supply can deliver at least 750 watts for dual high-end cards, plus 12 V-rail stability. Power down and ground yourself before handling any components to prevent damage. Populate the primary X16 slot first, then the secondary slot for the second GPU, securing both with screws. Connect dedicated PSU cables to each card using a high-quality 8-pin or 6 plus 2-pin PCIe cable per card. Install any required interconnect bridges, such as NVLink or proprietary connectors, only if your GPU architecture requires them. Route cables to maximize airflow, and then close the case for driver installation. Power on and install the latest GPU vendor drivers from the official source immediately. Open the driver control panel and enable SLI or multi-GPU mode if your workload and hardware support it. For applications that use explicit multi-GPU, configure renderer options to assign workloads optimally. Run synthetic and real-world benchmarks to validate scaling and to compare frame pacing. Monitor temperatures and power draw continuously. Aim for GPU temps under 85 degrees C under sustained load, and adjust fan curves or under volt if necessary.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.